If you run an automobile shop, your laptop browser might look like a crime scene. You've got tabs for ordering parts, a tab for label guides, spreadsheet for tracking jobs, and email for invoices. It's a mess. I'm using Repairius. It claims to be the only operating system you need for handling customers, AI diagnostics, even parts ordering without ever leaving your dashboard. And then start by creating your account, and you have 14 days free trial so you can test out the platform before committing to any of these plans. And the best part of these plans are that you don't need individual plan for each and every one of your team members. It's just pay once and use for as many users or team members you want. Now let's get started by creating our account. Here first you have to select whether you're a provider or a customer. Let's go ahead with the provider as we are the shop. Now you have to select what kind of business you have. I'm going with the auto repair shop. Then next you'll have to add in your business name. So this is my business name, and don't worry, you can select multiple business later on in your profile. Now here you'll have to add in your personal information, and here comes the onboarding. Now we already have our company name autofilled. We have to add in the number, address, and this is the most important settings. This is the service area radius, which defines how far off can customer find you from. Now here you can select all the categories of service that you provide. Like I'm going to select these three, and then you have to add in the payment methods that you accept. After that, again an important settings, which is your operating hours. So I'm going to add my Sunday hours as well, which will be till 4 p.m. only. And next I can add in additional services like emergency roadside assistance and 24/7 dispatch if that's available. After this, you can even add in your insurance certificate and business registration. And once you do that, complete the setup. So right when you log in, you aren't just seeing a to-do list, you're seeing a marketplace. Look at this available job. Now, most of the platform just manages your previous customers, but Repairus actually shows you fleet's job and breakdown near you so you can bid on them. It's like having lead generator but for your job. So for the purpose of this demo, I'm going to be creating a customer account and then creating a service as well to showcase exactly how the workflow would look like. So right now I'm in the customer dashboard, and here I'll request a service which is auto repair. And the services, you have a lot of options. If you don't find them, simply search for it. Then after you do that, you can go ahead, add in your vehicle condition, and also if you're dropping off the vehicle or not. You can then go ahead, describe the problem, and then enter in details like the year, make, model, and VIN number of your vehicle. After all that's done, you can go ahead, select the location of your either wherever you are or wherever you're dropping the vehicle from. And lastly, you'll have to provide your contact information. After submitting request, you'll have a request active like this. Now back in my shop dashboard, you can see I got a notification, new job request nearby. And if I go on to that job, so it takes you back to the dashboard, and here you can see the available job. Now if you place a bid, you'll have to enter in an amount and estimated time. And just for your information, the time is in minutes, so make sure you adjust it accordingly, and then you can add message for customer as well. Now if you submit this bid, you'll see it in the customer's request over here. Right now we just have a single bid. You can even negotiate by clicking on this counter and chat with the shop itself by clicking on this. Now if you accept this, that job will move to your active job, and in here you can perform different actions like estimate, inspection, and update status. Like right now it's assigned, then this one means that the vehicle is being fetched to the shop. Then this is on scene, job started and completed. So you can change the status according, and this would show you all the different jobs that are there which are active. This status will show you in progress jobs which the team members are working on, and this will show you the estimate revenue. Now that was how you can get customer through this platform itself. But What about your walk-in customers? If a customer comes in and says that they have their car making a weird noise, instead of reaching for your sticky note, you can simply click on this internal job and fill out all these details like customer name, email, address, etc. Then you have to add in the information of their vehicle, the type of servicing or job they are asking for, and the location. Now it would look something like this, which took me like a minute to fill in. And if I click on this, then that job will be added to my active job as well. So not only does it provide you with the record of all your job, but it also lets you create a collection of your customers. And if you want to access that, you can click on this more button here in the customers. You will see all your different customers over here. So let's say if John comes for another job, you can simply go to internal job, search for an existing customer and click on John's name, and you don't have to fill in all these details again. All you have to do is add in the vehicle details as well as the job details. Doesn't that make your life so much easier? Now, you've got your car in the shop, but you're stuck on a code. Usually, this is where you open your new tab and start Googling. You see this? This is your AI assistant. Instead of searching 5 websites for an answer, you can simply ask it about anything. Like, I asked it to help me diagnose this code for Ford F-150, and it gave me a whole ass answer. And it gave me follow-up steps to follow and give the mechanic assistant the result, and it will tell us more about the problem. So, like I said, all in one tool without leaving this tab. Now, we have diagnosed this issue, but we need some parts. And this might be the most annoying part of the job. Logging into AutoZone Pro, then comparing prices, it takes forever. Watch this. I go to more, and in here, I click on this order parts. Then I paste the VIN of the vehicle I'm working on and let it decode this. Now my vehicle has been found and logged in. All I have to do is add in the parts that I want and simply search for it. Now this will pull up a live inventory from my local vendors, but I don't think right now I have any local vendors around. So you can even post this request on Marketplace and you will get your parts right in this platform itself. Now, here's the real headache: customer approvals. Normally, you're calling customer 3 times, leaving voicemails, waiting for them to approve an estimate so that you can start working. With Repairius, you communicate directly from the app. Like in here, I'll add in the estimate. Like this here, I've drafted an estimate. I'll send it to customer, and once your customer approves it, you can simply convert it into an invoice. Now, in your invoice, if you haven't given an estimate and you have finished the job, then you can create a new invoice by your own by going to this invoices from more section and creating a new invoice. And there you'll have it, your insights on your invoice, different categories like paid, pending, and owed. And lastly, for the business side of the things, you can find everything tucked away in this more menu like invoices, inspections, inventory that you have, purchase order if you order some of the part, calendar, analytics, theme chart, location, profile, etc. Also, in your profile settings from here, you can add in new services that you offer by clicking on this add services and adding all the services that you have, the description of it, and also price. So that would be helpful for the customers to choose your shop or your services. You can even change a few things like upload your logo over here instead of just this car logo. And also, if you take the subscription, you can activate your mini website. And in this invoice settings, you can add in your logo again over here. So these will be displayed in your invoice, and that's it. So does this pass the desktop test? Yes, definitely. If you're tired of drowning in browser tab and lost in paperwork, this is the upgrade you need. It turns your laptop into proper command center. And here's the kicker, while I'm loving this desktop command center, Repairius is releasing native iOS and Android apps within next couple of weeks. This is huge because it means whether you're a mechanic who's working or a tow truck driver who is out on the road, you can assign and dispatch services directly from your phone. It's fast, clean, and a lot of services from just a single tap. So sign up, give it a spin, and let me know if it clears up your browser chaos. Thanks for watching.